1963 Chevrolet Corvette convertible 4-speed. Price: $59,950. Location: Oklahoma. The 1963 Chevrolet Corvette convertible marks a defining moment in American automotive history, representing the first year of the legendary C2 generation. Finished in its factory-correct Daytona blue metallic, this Corvette immediately stands out with a bold yet elegant presence. The deep blue paintwork pairs beautifully with the black interior, while the white soft-top convertible adds a striking contrast, giving you the freedom to enjoy open-air driving whenever the weather calls for it. Beneath the hood lies a robust 327 cubic-inch V8 engine, a true symbol of classic American performance. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this Corvette offers a raw and engaging driving experience that modern cars often lack. The addition of an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor enhances both performance and throttle response, ensuring that every press of the pedal delivers smooth yet powerful acceleration accompanied by that unmistakable V8 sound. From an exterior standpoint, this Corvette embodies timeless design. The iconic hidden headlights, sculpted body lines, and chrome bumpers create a look that is both aggressive and refined. Details such as the side fender vents, Stinger hood, and dual taillights pay homage to its racing-inspired heritage. Riding on 15-inch turbine-style wheels wrapped in thin white-wall tires, the car exudes a classic charm that turns heads wherever it goes. Inside the cabin, the driver is greeted with a clean and purposeful layout. The bucket seats provide comfort and support, while the center console and analog clock maintain the car's vintage authenticity. Modern convenience is subtly integrated with a hidden Pioneer radio tucked away in the glove compartment, allowing for an upgraded audio experience without disrupting the original dashboard aesthetics. Power windows and thoughtful details add to the overall driving comfort. Performance and reliability are further enhanced by 4-wheel disc brakes and a dual exhaust system, making this Corvette not just beautiful, but also capable on the road. Whether cruising along scenic highways or showcasing it at a car event, this vehicle delivers both confidence and excitement behind the wheel. In every sense, this 1963 Corvette convertible is more than just a classic car, it is a piece of automotive art. It represents an era where design, performance, and craftsmanship came together in perfect harmony. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, this is a rare opportunity to own a truly iconic American sports car that continues to captivate generations.